The table here is the result of a survey of 100 voters who each responded favorable or unfavorable or not sure when asked about the impression of candidate M and of candidate N. What was the number of voters who responded favorable for both the candidates? We can see that favorable for M is 40, favorable for N is 30, and the total voters are 100. So if you could find that how many are common between these people who sat favorable for both of them, then we can find out that what is the total number of people who sat favorable for both the candidates. Alright, so let us see the first statement. The first statement says that the number of voters who did not respond favorable for either candidate is 40. So the people who did not respond favorable for either candidate is 40. That means people who responded favorable should be equal to 100 minus 40, that is equal to 60. Now we can quickly draw the figure here. So we have two circles coming up here. The first circle is favorable for M. The second circle is favorable for N. For N the number is 30. For M the number is 40. And if we mark them A, B, C, then we also know that A plus B plus C is equal to 60 that we have got from this statement. We also know that A plus B is equal to 40. So that gives us C is equal to 20, and therefore B is equal to this 30 minus C, which is 10. So now we know the answer to the question, because people who said favorable for both the candidates is 10, therefore the first statement alone is sufficient, and the answer is between option A and option D. The second statement here says that the number of voters who responded unfavorable for both the candidates was 10. Now, people who said unfavorable for some does not mean that they said favorable for the other. Therefore, the unfavorable data does not lead us to the favorable data which we want, and so we can quickly say that this statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question, and the final answer of the question is option A. Thank you so much.